Hello, friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm back with one of the most interesting problem in HackerRank. This problem is related to strings, and people whoever is not aware about this website, those who are practicing Python, learning Python, and want to practice of Python. And sharpen their skills in Python, coding skills in Python, they can go to this website and practice their Python skills. So this is the problem. You can see from here. This problem is related to string. Let's Without wasting time, let's begin. So in this challenge, let's read the problem first. So in this challenge, the user enters a string and a substring. You have to print the number of times the substring occurs in the given string. String transversal will take place from left to right, not from right to left. String letters are case sensitive. So here, basically, let's see the input format from here. So it is trying to say, or here is that there will be a string A, B, C, D, C, and if there is any substrings, the substrings will be given as also a input cdc. So since this cdc is twice in this string, then it will show the output as 2. And this line means string traversal will take place from left to right, means that it will start from here, not from c to a. It will start from a to c. Okay, so the problem is clear that it will there will be two inputs. One will be main string and another one will be substring. And this substring, we have to basically, what we need to do, we have to uh, output the number of times that substring is present in that main string. So since this cdc is present twice, so it will print as 2. So for that, this section of code has already been provided by the hacker rank, that you will have to uh, you don't have to do anything about giving the input and any input main string input and substring input as well. And then at last it will print the count. Just our task is to just to write the function over here. So it was already written over here that you should write the code over here, but I have deleted it. So I'll explain my code first, step by step. So let's start resolving the problem. So I will first define a function. As you can see, already hackerrank has defined the function. I mean, what should be the function name? That count substring. The same I'll have to put here, count substring. And then I'll put the string, same format I'll use as it is defining over here, because if I don't the same structure, then the code will give me an error. So first I define the function. Then see, as I need to output the number of times occurred by the substring, so I will initialize a counter over here. So I will initialize a variable name count as 0, then enter. So here comes the most important part. From where to from where I need to detect, how to detect the substring, how many times is present in the main string. So for that, obviously I have to iterate over this string and detect whether my that same character is present over here or not. And to do that, I will iterate through a for loop. But what I will do, I will iterate over the range of this, I mean, the total range of this string, I mean length of this string, not range. I will iterate over the total the range of the total length of the string. Okay, so what I'll do, I will first, I will iterate the length of this main string, then minus of this substring. So if I do that, then how many times the iteration will be done? I mean, through which the iteration will be done. Let's write the code. You will have more sense. So for I in range, so length of my main string minus length of the substring. And of course, if I want to iterate over the exact number, then you will have to put as 1, otherwise it will just stop before it. Then put a colon. Now if my main string, that slicing part, I will check that slicing part from, sorry, I plus length of substring is equal to the substring, obviously, and count will be increased by 1. Okay, so now the last part, the function should return to count. So here what I the sorry, just let me do one thing. Okay, here it is. Just let me check the indentations properly, and after this the indentation should be okay. I did a little mistake with the indentations. Remember, indentations are very much important for checking your code, otherwise it may give you an error. So at last, it is I am returning the function under this. Okay, so here what I did, I have iterated over the range of the length of the main string minus the length of the substring to check whether my string sliced that string is equal to substring or not, and if it is same, then it will just return one. I mean, it will keep increasing the counter. So let's check the code whether it is, yeah, it is successful. So let's check the code, submit it. Let's see if all the test cases are, yes, it is fulfilled and it is successfully done. So that's it about today's video. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to like and share and subscribe to get more videos. Thank you everyone. Bye.